Hello French learners, and this is David, one of your teachers at French Learners page on Facebook. And if you're a student looking to improve your grades or just a person interested in learning French, this is the channel for you. Here we'll upload video lessons to help with your mastery of French, right from the very basics to the advanced. So if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Remember to also like and follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook handle is @TheFrenchLearners. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Comment vas-tu? Salut. Allô? Quoi de neuf? Coucou. Je vais très bien. Je vais comme ci, comme ça. Tout va bien. Au revoir. À bientôt. À demain. Salut. À plus tard. Bonne nuit. À plus.